Hi, I'm Andy Morris Friedman. Thanks for watching. This video is really made up of 2 kayaking trips that I took back in 2009, both launching right here from the Sunderland Boat Dock in Massachusetts. That's my wife Michelle on the left and our friend Beth on the right. And we took a short kayak trip of 1.5 miles from Sunderland up to Second Island. It's a beautiful trip. The second part of the trip is a lot longer, almost 13 miles. It starts right here in Sunderland, where you can see the bridge on your screen, and heads south through Hadley into Northampton and takes out at the Elwell Island Recreational Center. That's about 13 miles. It's a beautiful trip, and it's pretty easy kayaking if you have experience. If you don't have experience, I would wait until you feel comfortable or have someone who can take care of you, because the river can be tricky sometimes. But generally, it's a beautiful trip, and I hope you enjoy watching.
I can't imagine what else it is besides the field. Look at this little column over here. Yeah.
Thank you.